Hi everyone, I am in the field. The farmer is plowing in the field. You can see he is covering his face due to hot sun. It's a summer season. You can see the waves of the heat, and he is plowing in the field. He is making the land for the grass of the animals. Soon the farmer will cultivate the crop of grass here, and the grass will grow in the field and it will be suitable for the animals to eat. He will feed the grass to his animals. You can see it's a hot sun. I am sitting in the shadow of a tree, and the farmers are also storing the wheat straws. You can see this is a huge wheat straw collection in front of me, and here is also a store of wheat straws, crushed wheat straws for the animals. This is the wheat season in Pakistan. Farmers have harvested the wheat crops, and now he is going to cultivate the cotton in Pakistan. It is cotton season, plowing of cotton season in Pakistan. I hope you have liked my video. For best videos, please subscribe my channel. I will show the updates of Pakistan and its weather in the villages of Pakistan. Regards, Naveed Gilani. Hello Pakistan, love Pakistan, love Pakistanis all over the world. Wish you best of luck, stay blessed.